to go ahead and we're going to turn sodium bicarbonate, which is your regular old baking soda, into sodium carbonate. And so basically what's going to happen is that we have to go ahead and we're going to look at what happens when we go ahead and we put some of the baking soda under some heat. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out some baking soda. I gotta go ahead and I gotta tear out my scale, and we are going to go ahead and we're gonna put in some of our baking soda, and we're gonna scoop some out. And we're probably going to get like a few grams of it, because we will see what happens to it when we go ahead and we take some of it off. So I'm going to go like 15 grams. I'm going to do my best to get around that ballpark, and we will go ahead and we'll see what happens. So we're at 14.7, 15 grams. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and we're going to heat up the baking soda by going ahead and dropping this in. We're going to go ahead and we're going to check on the temperature. And we're going to make sure that it is hot enough for the reaction to go through. So just a little update on the bicarbonate to carbonate solution. So this is what we currently have. What you see, it is quite a bit more clumpy, and it is sticking to the sides a little bit. It's starting to look a little more snowy and frothy. So that's what we have on this end, and then we'll see if it goes ahead and goes through the next part of the reaction. So the baking soda has been on the hot plate for a little bit. Nothing too significant yet, but as the reaction is happening, I am stirring a little bit. It is a little bit clumpier, but nothing too significant. So after heating the baking soda, so I left it on the hot plate for a while, and then I let it cool down. This is the final total in grams.